How to lock any apps on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Suppose if you want to lock Instagram app, you need to head towards settings. Now scroll down, look for the option of privacy and tap to access it. Next to permission, choose privacy option. Under privacy protection, you will see app lock. Select that and enter your privacy password. And you will get access to app lock page where you need to make sure that you turn on app lock button. Here you can see the list of apps. Scroll down and look for Instagram. Toggle on the button and select locked. And under this section you can see all the application which has been locked. Now you need to use the privacy password to access these locked apps. So in this way you can easily lock any app on your Android phone without installing any other third-party apps. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.